Hey everybody, this is Jalen with What Jay Say. And if you're like most people where you want to give back to the Black community, you want to support Black-owned businesses, but you don't really know how to begin, where to start, maybe you don't have any Black-owned businesses in your local area, or you're a little hesitant or skeptical about purchasing online, rest assured that's where I come in. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for continuing to watch. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe. It'll be somewhere here on the screen, and hit the notification bell so you'll be first to know once I drop a video. And for my return subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So I'll jump right into it. Today we are talking about toothbrushes. Some of you, a lot of you may have already known, but for those that didn't, today I am talking about Coral Oral. Coral Oral is a Black-owned youth brand and a community-supported toothbrush. Like, aside from the aesthetics and the beautifully Black crafted toothbrush, like, they went away from the traditional toothbrush where it kind of gives you the basic colors like red, white, blues and stuff like that. And they have their toothbrushes all Black with just a patterned bristle here. So you have 4 different bristle patterns. They have the all white, the checker, the Corilla DeVille, and the striped one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like up close. And here we are. Here is the toothbrush. Hopefully that's not too close. It does have the tongue scraper on the back. It has the matte in kind of like a matte color and a shine. It reminds me, it's like Black Pantherish. I'm not even playing. Like, it's beautifully crafted. It's got like the grips here, the silicone grips here on the end. Of course, the tongue scraper again, and then you have your bristles. I did buy the medium bristles. I like mine's a little bit more firm. It's a beautiful toothbrush. Rest assured, this is my toothbrush as I'm rubbing all over it. But yeah, it's a beautiful toothbrush. This is not my first time purchasing Coral Oral's toothbrushes. I was being silly at first by purchasing like the 2-packs. Then I smartened up and I purchased the 4-pack. The 4-pack did cost me $5. $5 for 4 toothbrushes is not bad at all. That's a great deal. I purchased 2 packs. Yeah, so we have 8. But yeah, that is Coral Oral. Have you guys ever used Coral Oral? Do you guys maybe even know of a Black-owned toothbrush company, business, manufacturer? I don't know what you would call it. Do you guys know of another company that's also making like toothbrushes? If so, like, drop them down in the comments. I would love to learn about them, to check them out, maybe even make a purchase with them as well. But yeah, that is on the back. I'm going to post a picture here. But on the back, it's all about representation. Okay, so representation in regards to like this is just a diagram on how to show you, just to show you how to like properly brush your teeth. But if you notice, the model is more melanated than normal. Okay, like little stuff like that, like especially with our youth seeing it plays a big part in regards to how they kind of view themselves. Being able to see somebody that looks like you or someone in your family, it makes things a lot more relatable. So that is an awesome thing. There is also a Black history fact, like the Did You Knows on the back. So there on the Did You Know, it says that Ida Gray Nelson Rollins, I might be mispronouncing that, forgive me y'all, was a public school. The first African-American woman dentist was born in Clarksville, Tennessee on March 4th, 1867. I didn't know that. Now we all know. How dope is that? That's like that's super awesome. Super awesome. It also gives you like some oral information, like kind of like cool facts. Let's see. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. However, brushing your teeth with hard bristles may actually damage the enamel over time. I didn't know that. Dang. And it says if you don't floss, you're missing you miss cleaning 40% of your tooth surface. Oh wow. It's like, so in between your teeth is like 40% of your tooth surface. So make sure you floss twice a day. The more you know. So if you guys know of any Black-owned businesses that you would like for me to review, I would love to support them. Please drop that down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys back soon. And I look forward to all those comments at the end of the video. It really is very encouraging. So thank you. Sorry I was talking fast. There's not a lot to talk about when it comes to toothbrushes, but stay tuned and I'll talk to you guys soon.